welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to check all the previously made videos which will be listed in the description box. So recently you all guys know that Myntra organized a very huge sale, Myntra end of season sale, and I think you must have seen a lot of all hauls coming from a lot of bloggers. So I also bought lots and lots of clothes, so I'm gonna be doing it in two parts. One part I'll be covering, this part I'll be covering only dresses, full length dresses, knee length dresses, gowns and everything, because I didn't wanted this video to be like so long, so I'm just trying to keep it short. So I think I should just start without telling you all the details, like exaggerating it. Okay, so the first dress is this dress. So it's like a coat style dress. It has really nice collars and it's a blue color checkered dress, and it has a good nice belt also to go with it, and it's a flowy dress in the bottom. I really love flowy dresses in the bottom. And it also has sleeves, which I love. I don't find dresses with sleeves a lot, so I think it's a win-win point. And also guys, note this point, all the colors and the dresses I am showing, I always try to take the clothes according to my skin tone, because I don't come in a fair skin tone group. I come in a wheatish dusky skin tone group, so I always try that whether this color is matching to my skin tone or not. So if any dusky girls or wheatish girls are watching this, you can definitely go ahead and buy these dresses. So I'll leave all the links in the description box, and I'll also mention the prices. All of these dresses were a steal, like the MRPs were almost 1000, 2000, 2500, and I bought this dress for 488 rupees, and the MRP was 1699. So I think that was a great deal. So second dress is a floral dress. It's a white floral dress. I just have all my clothes in a pile here because I'm just shooting this video for the second time, because first time the entire video was out of focus, that's why. Yeah, so this is a floral dress. It's a white color floral dress, and it has very high neck. It doesn't have sleeves, but it has a zip on the side, and it has a cloth belt, and it's a full length dress. And this dress is a knee, like below your knee. So, and this dress is a full length gown. So if you're planning to like buy these dresses for office or wear for college, so I think you can go ahead and buy these dresses, because these are almost like more than knee length and floral, and so I think that's a good deal. And maximum number of dresses I try to buy with sleeves, but if these dresses are extraordinary and I like them, so I just go ahead and buy them even if they don't have sleeves. So yeah, the next one is this pretty blue color dress. And just one more thing, I think I have a lot of blue dresses. So this is an ombre dress which I love. So it has like coat in the top, and bottom is like little bit of crushed material, and it has buttons from top to bottom, and you can open it till here. It doesn't have any belt. If you want, you can add it, or you can just wear it like this. And it doesn't have any sleeves also, but it's a full length dress, so it looks so pretty. So here comes the fourth dress, which is a pink dress. Generally for darker skin tones, pink doesn't suit well, but this is the pink I went with, and it suits really good. And I just remember I forgot to mention the prices, but don't worry, I'll definitely add them somewhere. So yeah, this is a pink dress. It has a belt here, and oh, I just realized all my dresses are like coat material. So in the top it has a coat and pretty collar. It has sleeves, and the bottom part is a pleated skirt type dress, which I love. I love pleated dresses. So let me just mention the price also, so that I don't forget. So this is for 629 rupees, and the MRP was 1999. So it's like lesser than 50%. So it was like a 70%, I guess. Yeah, almost 70%. Let me just mention the prices for these also. So this white dress was for 647, and it was MRP was 2399. So I think it's like 80% almost. and this blue dress was for 1999, but I got it for 629. So almost all of the dresses are 600, only one of the dress is 700. That's the most expensive dress of this sale. So if you guys even go on street shopping or anything, you'll find these dresses way more expensive than what they're selling here, and the quality also, I don't think you'll be able to get that in street, especially I'm just comparing these with streetwear, because the prices they are giving is exactly like streetwear. I'm not even talking about the shops or pantaloons or any branded shop. I think they'll be very expensive. So this is a fifth dress. So this is also a floral dress. I have a lot of floral dress, and it has sleeves, and it is very high neck. I love high neck. It's a knee length dress, and it looks so amazing. It's like a proper formal dress. If you want to wear, it has a zip on the side, so it just fits your body, and it's so beautiful. Just if you're going for any formal events, you can just wear this one. And this dress is for 593. I got it for 593, and the price was 2000. So next is this pretty polka dot dress. I love polka dots. I know like it's an old fashioned one, but I just love these polka dots. And it has a thing to tie for collar and a belt, and it's a knee length dress, actually below your knees only, and it's so pretty, so flowy. And yes, it doesn't have sleeves, but I think you can wear it as a formal dress also, because it looks like it gives you a formal look. So I think you can wear this dress also for formal events, and daily I think you can wear all of them. So this is the last dress of this haul. So this is a blue colored dress. I love those sleeves. It's like a bell sleeves. Not sure whether it's called bell sleeves or not, but these are so flowy, and the dress is very long and very flowy and so lightweight. It's like if you wear it, it feels like a feather on your body. It's so lightweight, but it has a deep neck, very deep neck. So if you're worried about the deep neck, maybe you have to consider this. And it has normal like belt straps which you just can tie and all. So this was also very cheap. I got this for around 595. The price was MRP was 106.99. I think all of them were on steal. Like literally, I am so happy that I bought these dresses, because if I would have bought these dresses on a non-sale day, it might cost me like at least not MRP, but at least like 1200 or 1300 for each dress, which will be almost double. And I don't think I'll be able to get as many dresses as I got for the same amount of money. Don't forget to check my Instagram, which will be linked here, because you'll find a lot of pictures with these dresses. And if you want to consider any dress, you can just go to my Instagram, check out my pictures, and if you really like it, you can definitely buy it for yourself. And thank you so much for watching. Do share this video with all of your friends, so all your girlfriends can also have pretty dresses with you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because the second part is coming very soon, where I have tops, where I have accessories, where I have bags, shoes, so many things. So don't miss that video. Thank you so much for watching till now. Bye bye. Love you all.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.